Internet is filled with hacks and tips for detoxification. From juices to diets to exercise, you will find stacks of information to cleanse your body. But are they really useful? Do these hacks and tips really work in actual life? Don't worry guys, we got you all covered. In this very informative video, we will dig deep into Ayurveda and find out a natural, authentic solution to detoxify your kidney and your entire body. In this video, we are going to discuss about various aspects of kidney disorder and Ayurvedic guidelines to keep it healthy and disease-free. So stay tuned till end. The kidneys are perhaps the most important of all organs when it comes to filtration and elimination of waste. The kidneys are constantly working to filter and excrete excess water, waste products and other toxins that build up from our foods and lifestyle choices. In doing so, the kidney process an astounding 200 liters of blood each day. This puts them under enormous pressure, which they would normally be quite capable of handling. Unfortunately, our lifestyle and dietary choices, coupled with environmental exposure to toxins, increases the load. To protect kidney against diseases, many of us now turn to kidney detox diet and cleansing routines. Ayurveda recommends minor dietary modification and addition of certain herbs or formulas to support the natural cleansing process of the kidney. Ayurveda also counts on kidney care exercises such as pranayam and other yoga poses, which we will be discussing towards the end of this video. Let's discuss the symptoms and cause of kidney diseases. How do you know if your kidney is not in good order? Well, if you have symptoms such as pain in the lower back and stomach, itchy skin, dark colored urine, insomnia, fatigue and chronic stress, you might want to consult a doctor. You might have these symptoms as well. The onset of kidney diseases are usually caused due to inadequate water intake and unhealthy diets with processed foods and sugar. Excessive use of salt and even heavy use of painkillers also tamper with kidney functioning. So, what is the solution to this kidney problem? What should we do? The most important for healthy kidney is to keep yourself hydrated. But the best thing that you can do would be to follow a healthy dietary and lifestyle recommendations. Cut back on your intake of highly processed food as they are loaded with sugar and sodium. Make sure that you increase levels of physical activity as well. Both unhealthy food choices and a sedentary lifestyle can increase the risk of kidney disease. To support healthy kidney function and detoxify or purify the kidneys, you can also include certain Ayurvedic herbs and yoga poses. By doing so, you simply support the kidney natural self-cleansing process. Now, let's find out certain Ayurvedic herbs for kidney detox support. Remember that Ayurveda believes in treating the root cause of a disease rather than symptoms. And for a lifestyle disease, there are no quick fixes in Ayurveda. You need to first rectify your lifestyle and then the symptoms will subside. Although there are certain herbs and traditional Ayurvedic remedies that can support kidney detoxification and cleansing of the urinary tract. These may be incorporated into your daily diets and routine to maximize the self-cleansing process of kidneys. These herbs are Brahmi or Gotu Kola, Shilajit, Punarnava, Manjishtha, Varuna. These herbs are easily available in an Ayurvedic herbal shop or online. Include them in forms of supplements or herbal tea to maximize gains. Now, let's look at Ayurvedic recommended diet for kidney cleansing. While the kidneys are themselves part of your body's self-cleansing system and do not require rigorous detox diet, there are certain dietary changes that you can make to support this natural detoxification process. Naturally, the most important step is to increase your fluid intake, making sure to consume adequate water and other natural foods with high fluid content like watermelons and leafy greens. You can also make your own herbal kidney detox tea using some of the herbs mentioned above. In addition to maintaining healthy fluid intake, you are advised to include diuretic herbs and foods in your diet. These ingredients encourage urination, helping with both detoxification and reducing water retention. Typically, kidney detox foods and herbs will be parsley, asparagus, coriander, fennel, garlic, ginger, turmeric and celery. 2 tablespoons of neem juice twice a day also cleans our body. Also try to include lemons and lime in your diet. Physical activity and kidney function. While your food and drink has the most direct influence on kidney health, physical activities also has a significant impact. A study suggests that kidney disorder decline by as much as 28% due to physical activities. As part of your Ayurvedic lifestyle to support natural kidney cleansing, include asanas like fish pose, wheel pose, camel pose and tiger pose. These poses are known to have a stimulating effect on your kidney. While detox herbs, dietary modification and physical activities will go a long way to improve kidney function and lower toxins in your body, all of these efforts will be in vain if you do not correct your poor lifestyle choices. To lower the risk of kidney disorders, cut back on your intake of sugar and sodium. This means avoiding or restricting all processed and junk foods. Likewise, it is imperative that you quit smoking and limit your intake of alcohol. That's it for today. If you like our video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest update on videos. If you have any suggestion, write to us in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.